Welcome. Let's understand about preparation for CSIR Earth Science. So for Earth Science, you have part A, which is compulsory. But let's move on to the section on Earth Science. Now under Earth Science, these are the basic units which are part of your syllabus. So what's really important is you have to specialize in one of the segments. So let's say if you are a student from geography, you would possibly specialize with physical geography. But again for the part B, you would have to attempt all the questions. You would have the choices only with your part C that you attempt. If you are a student from ocean sciences, from meteorology, from geophysics, you can do and attempt the questions accordingly. Now for each of these topics, as you start your preparation, there are a list of lectures that you can actually go for, and this would help you understand the basic formulation. So as you can see, the initial lectures focus on the topics related to physical geography. Now as you move down, you have questions and topics which relate to remote sensing, GIS, the technologies, and then the topics of mineralogy, the topics of economic geography, the basics and fundamentals of sedimentology have been part of it. Now if you want to select specific segments under which you want to view the videos, you can go on to filter topic, select. Let's say I select a topic like let me select for example mineral and petrology here. So if I go down here, I'll see only the lectures highlighted which pertain to mineralogy. So here are the lectures which pertain to mineralogy. The time duration for the same has been given, and with this you can actually focus on specific topics where you want the content to be or you want more information on. Now once you are done with the lectures, it's really important to practice on to past year papers, and this would give you a clear insight about the kind of questions. So here are some of the questions that you can see here. With every question you can attempt, you can actually click on the view explanation to get in a detailed explanation and an answer. You can go on to the next and look on to the next question once you are signed in, right? So those are some of the ways you can actually understand the questions and help your preparation for CSIR Earth Science. Now if you have a standard books with you, definitely you can cover those. If not, you can go through the notes here. But Planet Earth is one such very important reference for your CSIR Earth Science that you must and must cover. In case you have any other questions or queries, feel free to connect back and we'll be more than happy to help you with those. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.